baby.
It's
It's an egg.
Is that a raw egg?
Yes.
Does it have a shell on it?
Ribbit.
How did you get the shell off?
Ribbit. Ribbit.
In vinegar. Hey, hey.
And vinegar.
In vinegar. How long did you let it sit in there?
20 hours.
Very good. 24 hours. What do you think of it now? Is it bouncy? Show them. Hold it up and bounce it. There you go. Bounce it in there.
I got on my face. Bounce it.
Let brother bounce it. Whoa!
It's in my face. Bounce it. I catch it. Don't.
What do you think of that, dude? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Well, that's the end of the egg, but we had fun with it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye, Grandma and Grandpa.
Bye, Grandma and Grandma. You can't. do
Say love you guys.
Love you. You can't.
Okay,
do
we're gonna
that.
clean up the mess now.
You can't do that.
Okay, bye.